Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue south on I-95 in Madison, Connecticut, in New Haven County. We begin at mile 63, counting down. We're starting to see some raindrops again, and the highway is getting a bit congested now. We enter the town of Guilford with a 2020 population of 22,073. Guilford is recognized by some as having the third largest collection of historic homes in New England. The town features significant buildings spanning the 17th, 18th, and 19th centuries. Among its notable attractions are 5 historic house museums, including Dudley Farm and the Henry Whitfield House, built in 1639. The Henry Whitfield House holds the distinction of being the oldest surviving house in Connecticut and the oldest stone house constructed by English settlers in North America. Another historic gem is the Comfort Star House, built in 1695. It is one of Connecticut's oldest wooden-framed private residences and one of the few homes remaining from Guilford's original settlers. We enter the town of Branford, which had a population of 28,273 as of the 2020 census. One of Branford's most anticipated annual events is the Branford Festival, held on Father's Day weekend. This lively celebration includes food, crafts, children's rides, live music, and a 5-mile road race. Another popular event is the annual Autumn Book Sale on the Branford Green, which helps raise funds for the town library. We passed through the town of East Haven with a population of 27,923 as of 2020. East Haven's retail services are concentrated along three main areas: Main Street, US Route 1 in the town center, and State Route 80. The town also hosts two industrial parks near Tweed New Haven Airport, home to numerous manufacturing and distribution companies. Now here, an event took place that would lead to this part of our trip eventually being cut short. That's all the audio we can include because expletives ensued, but needless to say, that was a big bump and it caused big damage to the car. But we wouldn't realize that until 2 days later. We enter the city of New Haven with a population of 135,081 as of the 2020 census, making it the third most populous city in the state. New Haven is home to Yale University, the city's largest taxpayer and employer, playing a central role in the local economy. In addition to education, healthcare, professional and financial services, and retail trade are key contributors to New Haven's economic activity. We crossed the Pearl Harbor Memorial Bridge, locally referred to as the Q Bridge, crossing the Quinnipiac River. This bridge was partially opened in 2012 and completed in 2015, replacing a bridge that opened in 1958. As the bridge descends, it makes a 90-degree turn to the left and will see a junction with the southern terminus of Interstate 91 with the control city of Hartford. The control city for I-95 going forward is New York City. conclude today's video at mile 46. Thanks for watching. We'd like to give special thanks to Backseat channel members Darren175, Audubon5425, Stuart Webb, and John Neal. You can also help support our channel for as little as $1 a month and get early access to our regular videos. Or it doesn't cost you anything at all to give us a thumbs up, share on social media, subscribe, leave a comment below, and join us for our next 504 road trip.